Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can find elevation on Google Maps. But before I start, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and you can leave the comment on my video and share my video. Open your Google Maps. After doing this, click on search bar. For example, I will select this place. Okay. After that, open your Google Maps and zoom in to the Google Maps. After that, select this place and now change map type, select terrain and zoom in again. So as you can see in here, you will find the elevation. Zoom in again or zoom out, you will see the elevation in here. So that is the way how you can find elevation on Google Maps. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like and leave the comment on this video. Thank you.